Hey skaters! Yesterday was our Thanksgiving, which means today is the United States kickoff to the Christmas season, otherwise known as Black Friday. Black Friday is the day we all go nuts doing all of our sale shopping. And so I'm here to bring you a little message about my Black Friday sale. So we have a merch sale, so there's a 35% Black Friday discount going on. If you haven't got your new holiday merch or my summer merch, which the O'Flets, so cute, love it. This is the weekend to get those designs you've been eyeing. Now, there's a couple of different ways that you can get to my merch shop. If you're on Instagram, I have a link in my bio. If you're here on YouTube, then there's a number of tabs across the front of my home page. One says store. If you go onto that, there's a number of featured products. It's not everything, it's the featured stuff. You can click on any of those and it'll take you to the full store, okay? And then also, and there's going to be a link in the description down below this video that has a link to the full spread shop. Now, there are 8 different designs, 4 holiday designs and 4 that I released in the summer. The way you want to get to that is if you scroll down to the bottom of my front page, that button will take you to all 8 designs, and you can click on that and see all the different items that are available in each. So make sure you explore around the site so you can get all of the merch that you've been eyeing, okay? Like my cute O'Flets sweatshirt. That's me, falling on my butt. Funny, right? Okay, so that brings me to my second announcement of the day. There is a channel member on my site. He's a member of this YouTube channel. His name is YJ Choi. He comments on all my videos. He skates with his daughter. Now, when he saw the holiday merch line released last week, loved some of the stuff, but he made a comment that I really took to heart. He said, how cool would it be if there was not just a mother-daughter design, but a father-daughter design? So with that in mind, I have taken that cute mother-daughter design and converted it. So we have a new 5th surprise holiday design for the merch line. So that daughter, I changed her hair a little bit. Instead of the red accent, we did a blue one. And then the mother has been completely scrapped and then transformed into a dad skating with his daughter. He's got that nice scarf, suave out there on the ice, skating with his daughter for the holidays. Okay, I cannot wait to see you all rocking your Coach Julia merch this season. Make sure you check out that 35% Black Friday discount. And as always, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that button down below so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, happy holidays, and I'll see you next time.